Hello all, welcome to part 54 of Python tutorial. In this session, I am going to explain and practically show you how to use getter and setter methods for accessing the private variables in Python. So let's get started. In the previous session, I have already covered about private variables and private methods. This session is a continuation of the previous session. And in this session, I'm going to show you how to use getter and setter methods with private variables for accessing the private variables in Python. So let's get started, guys. Let's move on to the practical mode where I'll open this PyCharm IDE where we have this sample Python file. First, I will create a class. Class, okay, A. The name of the class is A symbol. Okay. In this class, I'll create a variable. Okay. I'll create a variable. Say what we can create, guys. Say age is equal to, okay, initially I'll put it as 0, guys. Okay, initially I'll put the age as 0. Okay, I'll say age is equal to 0, and this variable is a normal variable. Okay, but what I want to do, I want to create a private variable as explained in the previous session. In order to convert this normal variable into a private variable in Python, I just need to add double underscore here. Okay, so now this variable becomes a private variable. Okay, now if you try to access this variable outside the class, you are going to get an error. How can I access this particular variable outside the class? First, I need to create an object for the class, right? Like this, I'll create an object for the class and I'll assign this object to the some object reference. And using the object reference, if I try to access the private variable, okay, using the object reference of this particular class, if I try to access the private variable that is underscore underscore a here, okay, sorry, underscore underscore age here. If I try to run this code, you will get an error in the output because this is a private variable, right? It is a private variable. You can only access this private variable inside the class. But when you try to access the private variable outside the class, you are going to get this kind of error saying that the class A doesn't contain any variable known as age. Okay, that's what is coming. So this is not possible. Then how to access this private variable or how to work with this private variable from outside the class? Is there any possibility? Yes, there is a possibility, guys. For that, we have to create some non-private getter and setter methods. Okay, so that is a topic for this session, right? Using getter and setter methods outside the class. Okay, from outside the class, if you want to access the private variables or you want to work with the private variables, then we have to use getter and setter methods. Okay, we have to create some getter and setter methods inside the class which are of non-private type. Okay, here I'll create getter and setter methods inside this class which are non-private type. F, I'll say set underscore age. Okay, this is a random name, guys. Okay, I'm just adding the set word here and age word here because it's resembling, right? Age. I want to set this age here. Age is by default 0, guys. I want to set some age for that. Okay, so here I'll give the age, and this variable, as we already know, is not an instance variable, right? It belongs to the class. So you can access this particular variable using the class, guys. Okay, so what I can do is I'll say a dot underscore underscore age is equal to age. Okay, like this I can set this particular variable. Now next one, so def get underscore age. Okay, so for getting the age, you see, using this getter and setter methods outside the class, from outside the class we can now access the private variables. I'll show you. These are non-private, methods, right? These getter and setter methods are non-private methods which are intentionally created to access this particular variable, private variable outside the class. Okay, hope you are getting the purpose. Here I'll say a dot underscore underscore age. Okay, return this age. This method is going to return this age. When you call this method is going to return the age. Now, guys, from outside the class, can I access? Can I modify the value of this private variable which is there inside the class from outside the class? And also, can I get the value? Let's see. Okay, I'll say obj dot set age. I just need to pass some age, guys. Let's say let me pass some age as 14. Okay, set age as 14. So the moment I say set age, this is a non-private method, right? The setter method is a non-private method, and it will set the this 14 will go into this 14. This 14 will go into this age. Okay, this 14 will going to this age, and that age will be assigned to this class variable age. Okay, private variable age, class level private variable age. Okay, so after the age has been modified, the value of 0 will be replaced by 14 when you call this method, and when you pass 14 from this set age method. And now if you want to um, get the current age after setting the age, whatever the age that is assigned to the latest age assigned to this private variable, right? If you want to get it outside, so again I have to say object dot get age. Okay, this another non-private getter method, get age. That's it, guys. This will give you the age. Okay, this will give you the age. Let's print it out, guys. Okay, let's print the age returned by this get age method. Okay, getter method. Here we are returning the age, right? When you call this method is going to return the age. That particular age we are printing here. Okay, run this code. You see 14 got printed. That means the age, okay, the age private variable, class level variable that is created inside the class, we can now access it using the getter and setter methods. Okay, by creating the non-private getter and setter methods in the same class, from outside the class also now we can work with the age. Okay, private variables. So hope guys you understood the purpose of using the getter and setter methods for accessing the private variables in Python outside the class. So that's it, guys. Thank you. Bye.